Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now and click the bell button to notify you for new videos. It's baked chicken today. Make sure you've dried the chicken by using the paper towel. Then simply season it with salt and pepper. Here I've added herbs. I used the parsley and thyme, but of course up to your preference. Or you can marinate the chicken for about 1 to 2 hours and refrigerate it for a tastier outcome. Here's the clip on how to cut into cubes, and if you haven't watched my previous video on baked salmon, please do check it out on the link shown above. Spray some cooking oil in the parchment paper. Place the potatoes, carrots, and the sweet purple potatoes. Spray some olive oil or cooking oil, and you can sprinkle with herbs of your choice. For me, I used parsley, thyme, and pepper. Can bake the carrots and the potatoes for about 8 to 10 minutes at the 200 degrees centigrade, while you can extend a bit for the chicken for another 3 to 5 minutes once they're done. Brush with marinated sauce. Combine soy sauce, sugar, and oil after 6 minutes and just before until it's cooked. Bake times may vary by the size of chicken and your type of oven. Okay, so that's it. You can take everything out of the oven and serve it while it's hot. You can also set aside or make this gorgeous meal ahead of time, wherein you can refrigerate and consume it within 3 to 5 days from the chiller. Hope you liked it, and let me know with your comments below if you prefer the marinated or simply the salt and pepper.